Welcome to the tiny house where our washer and dryer is currently on the back porch because that's the only place it would fit. Today I'm going to be taking a look at this dryer lint trap. This is technically an indoor kit, but the seller said that it would work outdoors, so I'm very excited to try this out. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the package, install it for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video, however, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. In the box, you're going to have the actual lint trap, and inside this is an extender lint duct, as well as 2 duct clamps. You have the instruction manual. You have anchors, but no screws, so I find that a little strange. And then there are 2 screens, a larger one and a smaller one. In order to open this, there's a little latch on this side, so we're going to just open this up. Maybe the screws are on the inside. They are not, so you're going to need screws. Screws are not included. Go ahead and insert your screens. If you are confused like I am, they both go into one slot. This has a see-through window, which is really cool. You are going to need a Phillips head screwdriver in order to tighten your hose clamps. Okay, so I have this one attached, and now I'm going to take this out to the dryer and put the dryer one onto the top. Don't mind this, it's love bug season in Florida, but this is what we currently have going on, and because our washer and dryer is outside, I'm slightly concerned that we're going to get like snakes and stuff in there. This is going to prevent that, and I'm very, very happy about it. Eventually I will mount this on the house, but I don't have screws right now, so for today we're just going to leave it like this, and I'm going to turn the dryer on. You can see air is flowing through. I don't know if it's catching any lint yet. The main purpose for me for this is to prevent things from going back into the dryer, given our location outside on the back porch next to the woods. If you're looking for one of these, it was easy to install, and I think it's a really great option.